everyone, my name is Donna and welcome back to my channel, No Mirror Needed, where I make videos every week on an array of topics such as lifestyle, fashion, fitness, career, anything that's going to help us live our best life possible. So with Valentine's Day quickly approaching, I thought that now would be the perfect time to film a video on the types of gifts you can get your husband, your boyfriend, or really any man in your life, gifts that he will really love, use, and appreciate. Gifts in general could be hard for anyone, but it could be actually a little bit harder for the man in your life. He could like a more practical gift, or maybe a gag gift that both of you could get a really good laugh at, or maybe he wants a gift that is more useful to him. Maybe it's a gift that he typically wouldn't buy for himself. So it could be really hard if you're trying to pick out that perfect gift, but I think I have a really good gift guide for you. So my first gift idea really involves sports, a sports team, or maybe a hobby that he enjoys doing. So Valentine's Day falls during the basketball season. So maybe there's a specific player that he follows or a specific basketball team that he likes. So if it's in your budget, maybe think about getting him tickets to see a basketball game. What's really good about this gift, it's really perfect for any age. So if basketball tickets aren't in your budget, because let's face it, basketball tickets can be a little bit on the pricey side, you may think about getting him maybe a sports jersey or a piece of memorabilia that has his favorite player on it or his favorite team. Now, I know that there are tons of sports memorabilia stores and even fairs that go on the islands, on Long Island and here in New York. And what's great about that gift is that you could really find anything in any budget. You could go into one of these stores or even purchase something on eBay and you can get something for any price range. But if you do buy anything off of eBay, I do suggest you make sure that you're purchasing it from a reputable company, that it's authenticated, and it has a certificate of authenticity. You may even be able to get him a signed piece of a sports card, possibly. Now, if you go into like Walmart or Target, what's great is that they have a section just geared towards sports trading cards. So I'm going to link down below everything that I talk about in the description box, and I'm going to show you which boxes I'm talking about, because you can really pick up affordable boxes like $19.99, $39.99 in Target and Walmart. And what he could do is he can actually open up like several packs of cards, and inside the cards he can get a game-worn piece memorabilia that could be signed by a player, and then down the road this card could actually be worth a lot of money. So that is a great idea for someone who's really into sports. So maybe the man in your life actually doesn't like sports, but he has a hobby instead. Maybe he likes to collect stamps, or he's into grilling and cooking, or he likes to race RC cars. Whatever his hobby is, I'm sure that you can find a gift that's geared toward that hobby that he'll get a lot of use out of. My next gift idea is a subscription box. So a subscription box can come either quarterly or monthly and can really be personalized for the specific interests in your man's life. So maybe he's really into clothing. A really good curated men's subscription box is called Stitch Fix. So you take a short quiz and you let them know your man's style, size, and his price range, and they put together a personalized clothing box that is mailed to him, where he can try the clothes at home, see what he likes, and then what he wants he keeps, and then what he doesn't like he sends back to them. Each subscription box comes with a prepaid return label, so it makes it super easy to just box up the items that you don't want and send them back. And with over 1,000 brands and up to sizes 3X, it makes it super easy for him to find exactly what he's looking for. There's no subscription required and there's no commitment, so you're not locked into anything. Now, if clothing isn't what he's into, I would suggest a subscription box called the Birchbox. The Birchbox is a grooming sample box for men that is geared towards either choosing a collection of items, either in wellness, fragrances, or maybe CBD products, or he can hone in on one specific area that he may enjoy, like shaving or hair products. By filling out a grooming profile, your man can receive a collection sample box that's sent to him once a month, where he can test the products, and if there's something that he really enjoys and likes, he can actually buy the full-size product. What's really nice is that you can choose how long you want the subscription to last for. So you can choose the subscription box for 3 months, 6 months, 12 months, and it's like the gift that keeps on giving. He will continue to get this box for months to come, and it will really be something nice that he looks forward to. So he'll be getting a surprise every single month. These boxes are also super affordable, and you can really choose the price range that you want to purchase and how long you want the subscription to last. Now, if subscription boxes really isn't for him, but he's still a really busy man, then I would suggest a food box for him. Maybe you guys don't live together yet and he still lives on his own, or you've been married for a really long time and picking out meals has become such a tedious task for you. Then HelloFresh is a really great weekly food box with prices from $5 to $7 a meal. You really can't go wrong. You choose from recipes weekly that have the highest freshest ingredients. HelloFresh is super easy and affordable, and you can choose from recipes that are low calorie, vegetarian, or family oriented. There's no commitment required, and you can cancel at any time. You can even choose how many times a week you receive your meal kit, and this is a really fun activity that you can do as a couple or as a family, and you can make it really into a fun romantic evening. My next gift idea is a men's gift basket. This can come in a variety of fun, edible gift ideas. TheMensCrate.com has a huge variety of men's gift ideas. They can come personalized, or they can come in activities or hobbies, or they can come in an edible arrangement. These baskets come in a variety of shapes and sizes. Choose from a crate or a concrete brick. Maybe your guy is into beef jerky or grilling or drinking. There's literally a box for everybody. There are even boxes geared towards hobbies, like knife making boxes or microbrewery boxes or how to make hot sauce boxes. There's a ton of variety. The website is really easy to maneuver around. You can really find what you're looking for, and with prices between $19.99 and $170.99, there's really a budget for everyone. So my next gift idea is to have a no compromising night. And what that means is that no compromising this time. Whatever he wants to do, you guys do. So if he wants to see a movie that you typically wouldn't want to go see, or if there's some kind of hobby that he loves that you normally wouldn't do with him, then I suggest just going ahead and doing it. Maybe he wants to take you to a comic book shop. Maybe he wants to take you to the golf range. Just go ahead and do it. This really shows your husband or your boyfriend that you're willing to do absolutely anything to make him happy, and you're doing an activity together that he loves to do instead of just compromising all the time for something that maybe you only want to do. And my final gift idea, and my absolute obvious one, is to be sexy. The number one gift that any man truly wants and needs is you. All he really wants is just you. So doll it up, be sexy, bring your A game, bring your confidence, bring your smile, get the best dress that you can find, do your hair, do everything that's going to make you feel the most confident, and just put a smile on your face and just give him some attention. That's all guys truly want from us, is our love and our attention, and it is definitely the quickest way to any man's heart. Maybe you wear your hair a little different that day, or you wear the color that he loves you to wear the most, that he thinks you look truly the sexiest in. Then go ahead and just do those things, because I guarantee you that whatever gift you give him will just be pushed right to the side, and you will be his number one focus. All men want to do is feel like you are doting on them, and giving them just a little bit of attention will help your man fall in love with you all over again. So happy Valentine's Day, everyone. I hope you really enjoyed this video. I hope you got some really good gift ideas on what you can get any man in your life this year that he'll truly love and enjoy. And please stay tuned for next week's video, where I talk about some of my favorite books that help motivate and inspire me. And if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for watching. If you haven't checked out my previous videos, I'm going to go ahead and link them right here for you. Check out my video on how to make a successful vision board and the art of manifesting, as well as how to get along better with your boss and your coworkers. Thanks for stopping by, guys. See you next week. Bye.